So we're just going to have a quick look at how the resolution affects the print size. What we have here is an image taken from a digital camera. This image is currently, if we look at the image size, 137.16 centimeters wide by 91.4 centimeters high, and it has a resolution of 72 pixels per inch. Right, what we have is a dialog box which tells us information about the width and height of our image. Now we've got the height and width in pixels, so this is the pixel dimensions, and this is the amount of little squares which are lined up in a grid, and it's going to be 3,888 pixels wide, and it's 2,592 pixels high. This number of pixels divided by this number of pixels per centimeter should give us 137.16 centimeters. So if we go to the calculator, we should be able to do 3,888 divided by 28.346 equals 137. So you can see that my maths is working for once. Now I did a little thing here. I switched from pixels per inch to pixels per centimeter. So if we printed out this image at the moment at 72 pixels per inch, it will not fit on a bit of paper. What we'll get is a blocky printout of part of our image. So what we need to do is we need to set the print size of this image without affecting the number of pixels within it. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to disable resample image. You'll see that when we do this, the pixel dimensions, which are up here, no longer are editable. So now when we reset our resolution to say 300 dots per inch, you can see that our height and width change, but our pixels stay the same. So if we hit OK, we can come down to this tiny little box here, we can click and hold, and we can now see that we've got this image. So we've got this white box which represents our bit of paper, and then we've got this square with an X in it. Now this doesn't fit into our bit of paper. And the reason for this is our image is landscape, but our bit of paper is still, according to the computer, portrait. So to fix this, we have to go to File, Page Setup, and then we have to choose our paper size and our orientation. You'll see that I've only got the page sizes which are available to my currently selected printer. So I'm stuck with A4 as my maximum size, and I want this to be landscape. So if I hit OK and I come down here again, I left click and hold again, you'll see that we can now see more of our image. We still can't see all of it because this does not fit into our bit of paper still. So if we go to File, Print, you'll see we've now got this dialog. This gives us a few more options to play around with. So at the moment we're not affecting the actual size of our image. So we're going to print it out at the correct size, and this is important if you're doing things to scale. But if you're just trying to fit your entire image onto the bit of paper, what you want to do is enable scale to fit media. Now you can see that my image gets smaller. You also see that we've got a slight white border here and here. But what's happening is it's scaling down our image, and it's trying to fit all the pixels within our maximum printable area. So when you've set up your document, I recommend that you hit done and you save your changes, so that the next time you go to print it, it remembers your settings. And when you're ready, you can hit the print button.